Why does your scanner show the P0701 engine code? What does it mean? P0701 is a diagnostic trouble code for transmission control range or performance. This engine code indicates that this issue stems from the powertrain control module, PCM, or transmission control module, TCM, detecting an issue with one or more transmission-related sensors, switches, solenoids, or the transmission system itself. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Low or dirty transmission fluid. Faulty transmission range sensor TRS. Wiring and connector issues. Transmission control module TCM problems. Mechanical transmission failure. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Chrysler, Dodge, Ford, BMW, and Audi models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.